hit the iron when it is hot. In the context of presentation, it can be said that hit the iron when it is hot. When I use it, I mean to say that when you go to deliver your presentation, see if the audience is ready to listen to you or not. When I say this, I mean to say that you create the background of your presentation. Don't say your things straight away. Don't be particular to start with. Be general in the beginning of your presentation. But it is not so in every kind of presentation. If you are giving a presentation on the function of some machine, there you can't be general. If your audience is technical, if you are technical, if the topic is technical, you have to be technical right from the beginning to the end. But majority of speeches are delivered which are not technical. We often talk about life skills, and whenever we talk of life skills, we have to be general in the beginning of the presentation, because it is a matter of emotions of the people. Talking about life means talking about emotions. So when you are touching such a topic, you should be general in the beginning of the presentation. And that's why I said hit the iron when it is hot. You prepare the audience. You make them realize what they are going to listen. You just make them understand what you actually want them to listen to. Before you launch into particular things, you say something which has connectivity with your particular theme, and that general thing should not be lengthy. It should be short. There are different types of presentation, and there are different types of modes of presentation. I mean, there are different methods of presentation. Let's talk about the methods of presentation. Basically, there are three types. First method is when you start in general. For instance, suppose you are giving a presentation on environmental pollution. You don't start talking about environmental pollution right from the beginning. Rather, you talk about solar system, and from solar system you come on to earth, and from earth you come on to the different problems people who are living on earth are facing. And there you say that one of the problems is environmental pollution. By the time you do this, you create the background for the presentation, and you are able to win the attention level of the audience. This is called deductive order of presentation. But when you are dealing with a technical topic, you can't do so. You can't be general in the starting of your presentation. You have to start it straight away. For instance, if you are referring to the function of some machine, and you got a joke in the beginning of your presentation, your audience is not going to tolerate that, because the bent of mind with them is to listen to you, to listen to your technical things, not to listen to your joke. So whenever you are referring to something technical, whenever you are giving technical speech, you can't afford to be general in the beginning. And that is called inductive order of presentation. Last but not the least order of presentation is question to answer order of presentation. It does like magic in marketing. You have a questionnaire ready with you. You go across your customers. You talk to your audience, but how? You start your presentation by asking a set of questions to them. Invite different answers from them. And after listening to them, you start talking about the particular things. For example, if you are a salesman and you go to sell your product in the market, you move to a particular customer, you move to a gentleman. First thing you do, you ask him about the kind of mobile he is using. You are selling your mobile to him. So before you tell about your product, you ask him what kind of mobile he has, what about the brand of the mobile, what about the features of the mobile, what about the other things. You ask him certain questions relating to his mobile. And when you get the answers of the different questions you are asking him, you present your mobile for him and say, see, here is a mobile which has got more features than your mobile has. This has already been studied by you. You have already studied that your mobile is something special. You have new things into it. The mobile which you are selling in the market has got plenty of features, and it stands apart. So you say, this mobile phone has got more features. It has got more flexibility in terms of price, in terms of warranty, in terms of resale value, and that way you convince him. So this is called question to answer order of presentation. This is all about methods of presentation.